Hello trader, welcome back to my channel, Forex Black Box. I'm looking at today S&P 500 future contract just before FOMC meeting minute and interest rate. So look like we're losing momentum here as I expected. We have a nice level, a nice support level here to exit your position and re-enter for confirmation. So today what happened is we come back up to almost to the close of the previous day. If you notice, let me just get this bigger. We really come to the close of the previous day, green day, and we just bounced down straight away. This is support level, very interesting level for support the price to go down ahead of the meeting minute, and looks like it's starting. We will start kind of push down. What we'll be looking for, we'll be looking for a strong momentum like this one here, like this candle. See that strong momentum? We'll be likely to see something strong like that coming into play, then another bull back up a wick, then come back continuation down. If indeed is going to be a negative FOMC in 1 hour time, I'm not sure. Yeah, in one hour time, but the price action telling you that's first thing first. Look at that support level. Come to it. We're stuck here for 3 days now, and we didn't really move further up momentum. So I think that momentum is on hold for now until the meeting is complete and everyone said what he have to say, the Fed, then probably going to see ABC down there, maybe another wave and continuation down to see a bull back, something similar to this one. S&P 500, S&P 500, it does move different than Forex, so do not try to analyze it the same way as you analyze in Forex. It's only active session is from 2:30 p.m. London time up to 10 p.m. London time. So that's the only active session. The rest of the session kind of like flat, but sometimes they push and they move because algos that normally trade overnight 24/7, 24/5, not 7, 24/5, and some of them they leave some orders in the market for the next day profit taken. Anyway, if you are long from this breakout, that will be exit. That makes sense. The first level of resistance, which is supporting the price to trader to exit a position. Algos will be marking this level is very important. And all this factor you put it together, you kind of put in your head that is going to go down. I mean, like very much likely we're going to see a bullback. We call it a bullback because the trend is up. So if I start from here, is breaking, keep breaking up. The momentum is strong. Even the last one looked like exhausted momentum up, but we'll come to a very strong support level here. Also the 86 Fibonacci. We're talking about the 68, 61 Fibonacci breakthrough, and we went all the way to 86% of the drop down. We're away from the all-time highs by we were like 14% to all-time highs, but I don't think we're gonna get that easy. I think we still have some risk on the table, coronavirus and all the stuff. At least I like to see bull back to this level, then I'll be happily trying to buy it again for double top or breakthrough for more momentum up if everything go well regard coronavirus and the Fed. Okay, let's go on to the next gold. See that gold on the third day, 3 days in a row pushing up. S&P 500 going down, of course, but you see that gold already high in price. So gold holding its momentum, speculating that S&P 500 will go down big, and that's why gold's still holding. We see a wick here. Also S&P 500 down, so it's a little bit dodgy. I'm not sure. Will basically come back down, come back up. If you look here, it's very famous, like consolidation, come back up, come back down, halfway, come back up, couldn't break higher, then we'll come back all the way down. Now we're about 50% on the momentum, and whether or not this is going to be qualifier to be a failure. So if that become a failure to continue up, momentum continue down to the next level, this one. If not, probably going to see a pullback, quick pullback, and continue back up to test this highs one more time. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin quite flat, no trade zone. You can see that keep holding the 10,000 mark, maybe 300, 10,300 dollars mark, but now we come back below the 10,000, as you can see right now, live. So we have a few days here at the same price. See that price here? It's kind of like a lot of play going around it. So it's busy level and supported by no trade zone basically. So if we break through up, okay, that's great. If it breaks through down, then that's the move. I think it's gonna go down for a reason being, if US dollar get paid because S&P 500 going down for money flying back to cash, then very much indeed we'll see some momentum down on Bitcoin, because you trade in Bitcoin against the dollar. If you trade it with other currencies, I think Bitcoin and dollar, that's the main, like cable. Cable is a control of pound. Bitcoin and dollar is the control of Bitcoin overall. If Bitcoin and dollar go down, so Bitcoin will completely overall will trade against other currencies is going to go down as well. And keep your eyes on the stock market. Stock market is the one is moving. If the stock market is moving, currency will move, future will move, option will move. All this market it will be moving. Buy and sell, food, agriculture, or whatever you buy and sell, it will react to the prices. So they're all connected in circle. Stock, forex, future, options, they're all connected. They're all going around circle. Is a closed circuit if you don't call it. There's always, if it's a stock move, it will move the rest of the market, because the stock is the main driver of everything. Because if you buy a stock, you will need to exchange your currencies. If I'm Japanese, I'll be changing my Japanese yen to dollar, so in order to buy stock. If I'm British, I'm British. So if I will buy some stuff from US market, I have to exchange my pound to dollar in order to buy this quantity. And the big player, they do that every single day, every single minute. When that happen, it will move the currency market as well. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like, leave a comment, ask me questions, and I'll be happily answering you. I'll move on quickly before the FOMC. We're looking at oil. See that oil today is popping up. That's why pound CAD a little bit on pullback, but the momentum, like we see that one day only rest and continue back up. We have 1 day, 2 days, and now coming back up. I think that could be leg two, 1, 2. Look for a major move on the daily. So that could be the play. If you go down to say 4 hours, what's the 4 hour look like? A, B, C. Then looks like we're losing momentum. So we'll be looking for failure to break above these two highs. Now we have a ground to look at. Now we have some marks here to look landing, whether or not it will be successful or not. I would love to see that's coming back up here and do show me that is actually successful breakout. If it's not, it will be something similar to this. Come back up quickly, come back down, and so on and so forth, and we'll continue one more leg. AB equals CD. Okay. Next, dollar index. You see that dollar index keep going, keep losing momentum, and we break yesterday low, and we went even lower to the 95, 98, say 96. I say. Beside the spread and all stuff, but we have a support in the play here, and let's see whether or not the support, just before we touch the support itself, we see some buyer or seller that exit their positions. They don't want to wait till the end, they just exit. You see that that's the support, and you see that we're coming back retesting. If you go to the low time frame, you see that is only pullback from the breakout. Come back here, coming back down. Let's see if this is whether it's going to continue or not. We'll break out of here. We'll test it 1, 2, 3 times. See that we'll break out of this consolidation, come back. We didn't really even come near the angle of the trend line, and we break below it. Let's see what is going to happen here as well, and probably that's what we're going to do. Stay a little bit, then maybe we'll start to see some momentum back up. Of course, the dollar, euro. So let's see, euro today actually popped up a little bit, broke up a few pips and dropped down again. So everyone trying to buy in on the breakout in the low time frame, they have a very limited stop loss and take profit. They don't want to stick in the market because we're looking like we're topping up here. I have three bushes, 1, 2, 3 bushes. And what happened from here is all aligned together. If dollar getting strong because S&P 500 is going down, then we're gonna see dollar increase in value. What happened is the euro dollar is gonna go down, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for break below this one. Maybe we'll come ABC 1, 2, 3, then ABC again. So we're gonna have overall come back down, come back up, come back down again to this 11, and it's pretty natural because from the breakout to these highs we're looking for 50%. That's what we're targeting now. If stock going down, so if then, just like a coding. If this happen, then you do this. You do like a algorithm exactly, but you do it in a human way. That's how algorithm works, because human does that, so he just try to make it digitally to the algorithm to trade. If breakout continue, then you trade it long. If we have this breakdown here, come back here and start to show that 1, 2, 3, then I will trade it long. If you start to break here, then I will trade it short. Okay. If the stock go down, then dollar will increase in value, just like that. Pound cable. Let's see how I look in cable. See that we popped up to that level. This Fibonacci is not correct. Let me just get it from the highs to the lows. Sorry. Okay, let me pause and I will come back to you with the right one. All right, I just come back. You didn't feel that I disappear or anything. Anyway, so I think that 86% is very, very interesting. So I did, I just drew Fibonacci from this high to this low. We broke the 50%. We'll come back retesting it again. 1, 2 double tops. Come back, fill it a break lower. Then we'll have 1, 2, 3. I talked about that many times. 1, 2, 3 here. Then we start to accelerate for wave 3. So we're expecting wave 4, ABC 1, 2, 3. Then wave 5 probably we will touch the 86. What we'll be doing, I'll be buying on ABC down. Let's see how far it will go. That will be wave 4. It will be extended zigzag, possibly something similar to this. Then after that, will break higher, come back down. I'm not in the market at the moment. I'm only watching pound CAD, pound Aussie, and pound New Zealand for long positions, and probably I will be stuck around for a while for the next couple of weeks. I went in this morning and I exit my positions before I actually get on the stream, because I don't want to stick around for the meeting after the fact. Then we trade the direction. So I think that we're going to see some pullback here firsthand. Then after that, at least to this level, and maybe we'll stall a little bit, fill it to break low, high, then after that we will continue back up. We're looking for a wave 4 anyway. If you know what wave 4 is, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. If you look closer, wave 1, 2, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, the most bigger one, will break out from here. That's the high of 3. We'll be looking for 4. Then after that, we'll see look for a 5. 5 probably is going to be as 1. So if you measure this one from here to there, we'll be matching this level, which is 129.5. Maybe we're going to hit the 30. No one knows. Just be careful on that. I think the next few days is going to be some pullback from tonight probably. Maybe we should see something to pop down quickly, then make a wick and come back up again. And the following day we'll push down a little bit more lower. The following day we'll pull back and we'll continue one ABC. Okay. Pound yen as well. You see that yen is paid since this highs around here, right there. 2x here, 2, 1, 2, and we close below it, and we're going down now, and we engulfed 3 days by 3 days almost. So what happened here from this high to this low? Let's look for a 50% retracement. Then probably going to take it one more leg down, at least to this support here. Okay. So far I'm not in it. I was going to short it here, but I was a little bit not sure yet. I think S&P 500 is just lagging a little bit and waiting for decision tonight. And then we will know what the future direction is. Do not trade on the talk of the FOMC. Just wait for confirmation of direction. because sometimes they go down first, and after that they go up big, or they go up first and then they go down big. So wait for the fight to be settled, then you jump in for your direction. Okay, if you're trading future. Or if you're trading currencies, you're probably going to know which one you will trade with. You can trade yen. Yen is going to be strong if S&P 500 going down, and you can trade Aussie. You can short Aussie. So what happens is you short Aussie, short, and you short you long yen. Sorry, you long yen. So that's your play. So if that's work out for you, then that will be great. Because it's going to be maybe pullback on Asia session. Then after the London session is going to continuation. So if you buy after the meeting, don't leave it for next day. Take your profit before the session finish. Then wait for Asia. See if it's going to give you any pullback. If you give you pullback, see London how London do. Then you jump in the market again. Here you go. I'm talking about Aussie, pound Aussie. See that nice push back up here. We broke finally above it, and I was long and I exit. And as soon as I get the high of that day, I exit, and I don't want to stick around. What happens is we have a pullback now to this breakout. It's a little bit deeper than it's supposed to, but it's okay because Bana Sync is losing momentum a little bit because cable is losing momentum. So cable is ahead of pound momentum, and that's why. So what we're looking for today, I would like to see a wick. So see that here. I like the market to come back up, test the 20 moving average. If that happened today, if we come to the opening, I will put a limit order in a way. If we come to the opening and continue up, I'm in the market until the 20 moving average. Then I will be exit my position. My stop loss it will be just below the low. If I enter here, I will move my stop loss right there. At first, I will leave it here. Then after that, as soon as I start to fill up my position limit, I'll move my stop loss just below the wick. It's going to be something similar to this. Hopefully that's the case. If it's not, I'm still out of the market. But if that's successful, come back up, then I'm in the market and my take profit will be around the 20 moving average of today. Tomorrow is going to be a different day, different technique. If we come back up here and we stay halfway, probably going to see some pullback first hand tomorrow in London session, then we'll continue back up. At this point, I will be buying at this pullback, not here. But for today, I will just put my order at the opening or above the opening by a few pips, right? New Zealand as well looks great. Same story. I will be doing that. If indeed stock is going to go down, then we will see some momentum back up here on all this equity currencies. So I will put order here as well to target my 20 moving average or just around here. Probably going to pop up back next after beginning of Asia session. Then we'll see pullback. Then we'll continue back up if that's the case. Okay, guys. What else? Bound CAD. Yeah, there's a lot of spikes here. However, we above the 20 moving average on daily. 4 hours is way above it. You can see that. Worst case scenario, we're retesting the 20 moving average again and continue back up. If we go today with the stock going down and become negative against the stock, dollar will be up, Aussie New Zealand will be down, yen will be up. What else? So just see, you have to have this pre configured on your desk, wherever, like a chit chat, telling you if stock going down, Aussie getting weaker, New Zealand getting weaker, dollar getting strong, yen getting strong, uh, euro getting weaker because euro against the dollar is going to be weaker. It's all connected, so you should have this pre-configured ready. Something to look at it, and you make a decision straight away in the back of your mind. I have that in my mind. I used to have it in Brent, but I removed it because I want to practice to keep in my mind if S&P 500 is going down, then Aussie is going down with it, and that's why. But anyway, if cable looking strong, then cable will have more momentum up because so many currencies that are going down. So if Aussie going down, New Zealand going down, they're going to give way to pound to go up. Okay, I think this is it. I just want to make it short and sweet. Okay, guys, thanks very much for being here. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the bell button so to receive my notification of new videos. I'll doing that every day, and over the weekend I'll do one big video for overall market review. Okay, good luck tonight, and trade with limited risk. Do not risk all your account. Do not go big. Start small. You will build up. If you start big, you will become small very quick. Okay, guys, thanks very much. Talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.